Hi traders, you are welcome to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the CHT Value Chart Indicator for MT4 and MT5. All right, you're going to find the links to the indicator down there in the description, okay, both the MT4 version and the MT5 version. Without further ado, after downloading the indicator, you can just go ahead to add it to your indicators folder. Add the indicator file specifically to the indicator folder for your MT4 or MT5, and then you head on to your navigator, refresh your navigator. After that, just look for the CHT value chart, drag and drop to your preferred chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then as for your input settings, you can see we have the length, the bullish color and the bearish color. You can modify these according to your taste. If you want more sensitivity, feel free to reduce the value. If you want less sensitivity, feel free to increase the value. Okay, now this is how the indicator looks like, right? It plots price movements in the normalized value zone, helping you to clearly identify overbought and oversold levels, potential reversal areas, and high probability trade setups with a level of accuracy. Right now, you will notice that the indicator is being displayed in a separate indicator window in the form of candlesticks, right? And then you still have these values, showing you overbought, oversold levels and all of that, specific zones, value 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 15, in this vertical scale. And we have the zero level neutral point. When you notice that the candlesticks are piercing through the 6, 8, right, the 6 level, 8 level, 10 level, right, you might want to halt on your buying, okay, because there could be a potential reversal to the downside. On the other hand, when you notice that the candles are piercing through the minus 8, minus 10, and possibly minus 12, just halt on the sell side, because there could potentially be a reversal to the upside. Okay, so basically consider these oversold levels, consider these overbought levels, right? When you want to buy, look out for red candle piercing through minus 10 or minus 12, and then look for a confirmation candlestick pattern here and execute your buy once you get your confirmation. On the other hand, for a sell trade, wait for a green candle to pierce through perhaps minus 8, to pierce through 8 or 10, depending on the momentum, right? It could be piercing through 6, 8, 10, or even 12, right? So once you get a confirmation on your chart, a bearish confirmation, then you proceed to execute your sell trade. Okay, so ensure you set your stop losses correctly. Stop loss for sell trade should be above swing highs, right? And then stop loss for buy trade should be below swing lows. And you can target resistance zones for your take profits for your buy trades, target support zones for your take profits for your sell trades, right? Super easy. Now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well, so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.